Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by creating controlled sections. Part hair horizontally about 1 inch above the ears and clip the top away. Use comb clips sized for your thickness because wrong size slips, so test one near roots to check hold. Once done, release a thin bottom section and place clips with teeth facing scalp, sliding gently until snug but not painful. Make sure clips sit flat to avoid bumps. This sets a secure base for all following steps. Now you build structure. Backcomb small root areas where you want lift, then smooth the top hair so it looks neat. This is why you alternately place comb clips facing opposite directions, which balances tension and prevents sliding. Work in 1/2 inch sections, clipping each section into the base created earlier, and distribute volume evenly rather than packing too much into one clip. Once you clip 3 to 5 sections, step back and check symmetry. Adjust tension on any clip that pulls or gaps appear. To finish, gently remove the top guide clips and let the styled layers fall. Use your fingers to blend and soften any lines. This preserves movement while maintaining shape. Spray lightly for hold, avoiding stiff application near roots. If you notice slipping later, pause and fix it. Switch to a larger comb clip, reclip through both hair and a small elastic anchor, or add texture spray for grip. This troubleshooting tip prevents redoing the whole style midday, so check clips before you leave.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.